In this video, we're going to look at how to create a contact record. Contacts can be linked to a lead, a prospect, an existing customer, a partner, or a sub-partner. Remember that the partner is always you, and a sub-partner is either a sub-agent working for you or an account within your network of contacts, such as a firm of solicitors, surveyors, financial advisor, and so forth. To make sure that the contact you create can only be seen by you, you must always link it to your partner record or an existing account that is already linked to your partner record. Before we create a new contact, let's take a look at the relationship between contacts and accounts. Let's search for someone called Richard Jones. Netsuite returns 2 matches. There's an account record set as a lead called Richard Jones, and there's a contact record which is linked to that account lead. Let's take a look at the account. When we enter the account record, we can see that the account name is Richard Jones and it's set to a status of lead qualified. This account record is connected to me as the agent, and it's also connected to the market center. If we scroll down the screen and look at relationships, we'll be able to see that this record has 2 contacts. The first contact associated with it is Richard Jones' personal contact record. This is where we maintain his contact details and potentially keep our contact history. We also have a contact called James Collins at JPCC Surveyors. James is acting as John's advisor and gave me the lead. Now I'm going to create a new contact record for Belinda Smith and connect it to the account for Richard Jones. Belinda has no legal interest in the property, but is Richard Jones' long-term partner. From the home dashboard, you can create a new contact using the shortcuts on the right-hand side. Going to Favorites and selecting from the drop-down, or going to Customers, Relationships, Contacts, and New. When you are creating a new contact record, there are 2 mandatory fields on the first screen, indicated by the asterisk next to the field. The first mandatory field is the account. If you can't link it to an account that is already connected to you as an agent, connect it to yourself direct. In this case, I'm going to connect it to Richard Jones. The other mandatory field is the subsidiary. This should always default to your market center and doesn't need to be changed. Now let's key in some basic details for this contact. If the contact is linked to a business, you may also want to add a job title, like surveyor. You are also able to add a comment to remind you how you acquired the contact or any type of personalized information that may be useful to you. Finally, if this is one of your network contacts, select the most appropriate category from the drop-down list on the right-hand side. Now scroll down to the Address tab, click on the pencil to add the postal address for Belinda. Once you've keyed in the postal address, click OK, scroll down and save the record. Once the record has been saved, you can scroll down to Relationships and connect this contact record to other accounts if required. Netsuite can also be used as your contact management system for sending out emails, recording and booking activities such as meetings and follow-up calls, connecting electronic documents, or adding free format notes. These features are available in the Communications section. Finally, if you've made a mistake when creating this record, click on Edit and use the Actions button to delete the record.